The Kia Seltos is an incredible entry SUV with a whole lot of attitude. The grille retains Kia's signature shape, but with an aggressive hexagonal pattern. Diamond-like detailing across the top and DRLs that extend into the grille add a bit of drama. The sophisticated details continue around the side, where a chrome garnish sweeps across the beltline for a crisp and streamlined look. The available two-tone floating roof delivers an upmarket feel, while 18-inch wheels with red center caps, well, they just look really cool. The long wheelbase makes Seltos look bigger than most in the segment and delivers an outstanding ride. And get this, with 61% advanced high-strength steel and 374 feet of structural adhesives, this rig has all the muscle to back it up. Around back, horizontal lines emphasize the vehicle's width, and the chrome finish connecting the taillights shows attention to detail that, folks, you don't see in other entry SUVs. And we've incorporated Kia's heartbeat concept lighting, which reminds us what it feels like to be alive. But the real heartbeat of Seltos resides under the hood. Seltos comes with two powertrains, a standard and efficient 2-liter Atkinson cycle engine, or for those who prioritize fun driving above all else, a 1.6-liter turbo delivering 175 horsepower and, get this, 195 pound-feet of torque, because we all know torque is what gets us moving. During development, these engines were pushed to their absolute limit for more than 300 hours, more than 100,000 miles, with 20 hours at overspeed, the most severe testing in the industry. That's the kind of thing we mean when we say, give it everything. And frankly, it's why we can offer our best-in-class 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. With Seltos, we set out to prove capability doesn't have to be basic or boring. Just like its bigger sibling, the Telluride, Seltos' story is all about rough and rugged. It's longer, wider, and has more ground clearance than most of its competitors. And its unique front valence allows for a higher approach angle. Plus, with our Dynamax all-wheel drive, with torque vectoring and center lock mode, splitting power equally between the wheels that slip and the wheels that grip. And because 68% of purchasers in this segment include all-wheel drive, our starting trim level, the LX model, will offer the feature as standard equipment. And Seltos is available best-in-class advanced driver assist systems to manage any surprises along the way. But here's the best news. We will absolutely deliver signature Kia value because the LX with the standard all-wheel drive will start at under $22,000. The step-up front-wheel drive S-Trim you'll see on the floor a little bit later over there gets many of the standard features that I talked about and is priced in the same neighborhood as the LX. And while Seltos adeptly navigates the great outdoors, you can relax in its refined interior. The wide IP has a high-tech feel with asymmetrical design that orients itself toward the driver. The available 10.25-inch HD screen is huge and offers split-screen functionality, so the information that's most important to you is in one convenient place. You can connect two devices at one time. And while streaming your favorite podcast, you can keep your smartphone battery fresh by placing it in a wireless charging shelf. And get this, it will get you powered up 30% faster. The overhead lighting gets a high-tech upgrade as well with touch-sensitive light controls, so no more pesky cords or analog buttons up top, just smooth and modern surfaces. Now this next feature really defines the feeling inside the cabin. The available sound-connected mood lighting that Soul customers have grown to know and love, well, it takes on a new look in Seltos with fractal pattern speakers and 6 color themes. You know, this design was modified and refined more than 20 times and is the first Kia to use Bose audio technology. Now, we all know the best adventures involve bringing along our sidekicks, so we made sure backseat passengers are comfortable with reclining rear seats and a USB charging port for their devices. But perhaps the biggest standout feature of the interior is, well, just how big it is, with close to 63 cubic feet of cargo space. Even with the rear seats up, you can increase the space in the cargo area by lowering the luggage board. Or, if you're on a solo mission, fold the rear seats down, bring the luggage board up for a flat loading surface. No matter which way you fold it, split it, or lift it, Seltos has more interior room and greater cargo capacity than most of the entry SUV competitors. It even takes on the heavyweights with more cargo room than the segment up Subaru Crosstrek and Toyota RAV4. Let's just say for a small SUV, this Seltos delivers a tremendous amount of spaciousness and comfort.